Guys. Pasok tayo dito guys. Okay. Guys, kawayan guys. Sapa. Pasti ito kami ng sapa. Yung bato guys. Yan yung bato dito guys. Yan makikita nyo dito. Yan, sapa guys. Apa tuh? Oke guys. Napaka gubat, liblib ng gubat to guys. Pasok kami dito ngayon guys. Okay guys.